Hi everyone, welcome. Today it's stationery time. And today we have here some stationery sets. And this one I actually tried filming it. That's why it's already opened. And I ended up not uploading that video since it was not a good quality video. And today is the day that I try again. And this time, it's not only this one, I'll be opening the rest. So, in total, we will have four sets of stationery with the notebook and the washi tapes. And here I'm just pulling everything out since these four sets had been sitting under my desk. And it's taking up a lot of space when it's just only a few products really. And here I really love the notepad that it came with. It's not a sticky note, it's just your regular notepad with design. And what I really love about this notepad is that it's a very useful notepad for everyone that likes to use notepad, like definitely in stationery. Notepad is one of my most used item besides the stickers and more than the washi tapes. Notepad is my lifesaver when taking a note, leaving a note, and just taking notes or anything that I want to write immediately. And here I have a notebook which I did stamp and I did put the stickers besides it. Like I did swatch the washi tapes for this one, but unfortunately I haven't really swatched the others since I haven't opened them. For this one, like they are writables washi tapes. Like it amazes me that the washi tapes are writable, and that's a very good thing since I can cut the washi tape. It's not like your pre-cut sticker tape. There are a lot of sticker rolls these days that are like notepad stickers, and those are really nice. I'm trying to get my hands on some of that, but here is the notebook. Like it's more of like a journal notebook than your typical notebook, and especially like it's full of design already. Like you don't really need to put a lot of effort to put stickers or washi tape inside this notebook itself. Like for me, I'll just add a bit of stickers here and there and some washi tapes. But nonetheless, like it's a perfect journal notebook for me. And this is gonna be the only notebook that I'm gonna be opening since there's a lot of notebooks that I haven't really used yet, and I'm still using some of my older notebooks. So yes, I do have and collect a lot of notebooks, and sometimes I go through them fast, and sometimes there is a phase that I just buy them and leave them on standby, and then I'll use them someday. But I do technically use them, everything. And here are some of the washi tapes that I have already swatched on this notebook just so that we're not gonna take a lot of time. Like I just wanted to share like this puppy washi tape. Like it's a very nice washi tape. I really love those. And the grid washi tapes, like I have the black and the brown washi tape. And here are some of the nicer washi tapes. And just like this notebook became an all over the place notebook. Like swatches, a notebook swatches right now. It's just that for this notebook, I cannot swatch any fountain pen related ink since it's definitely gonna go through the paper. But definitely for swatching washi tape, stickers, and gel pens and stuff, that notebook is really perfect. And here's the second box. And actually, the stickers are like that already when it arrived. And on the back of the box, like you will see what you would get inside this set. And as you can see, this one is not yet open. That's why I have a very, very easy time putting it downward, or else after you remove the plastic out of it, like the stuff on the front is gonna fall off or like fell off. And as you can see, it was delivered like this. So I'm gonna arrange it after we open the stickers. Like the stickers for the transparent stickers for the first box, I had already used them, so I cannot share them with you anymore. But here we have the washi tapes. Like I'll pull out everything first. As you can see, this set includes washi tapes, notepad, some stickers, and the notebook itself. And I'm not really sure if you're asking where I bought this product. I bought it online, but I don't think this is available anymore. They have other new ones. Like if you want to find this kind of stationery sets, search for stationery sets on the search bar, or like complete stationery set or notebook set, something like that, and you will be able to find this kind of things. Or when you scroll on the stationery shops, usually you would find them on the mid to higher prices. And this one, like, I'm just letting you see through the washi tapes. Like, I'm not gonna open everything today for this, and I'm not gonna swatch the rest of the washi tapes for the rest of the boxes. Since I haven't really opened them, I just opened them, and I don't want the glue to be removed, or like the stickiness to be removed. And here are some of the stickers included in this set. And like for every set, depending on which set you have, they do have different kind of stickers. This one have a food related stickers, which are really adorable and cute. Like I would use a lot of these transparent stickers on my personal journal. And also I do like to stick them on the notepads that doesn't have a stick, like the sticky note, it doesn't have the stickiness to it. It's just your normal notepad, usually the little ones. I would use it to post it on my wall. That's what I do with these stickers, the smaller one and the bigger ones. Most of the time, I use them for journaling or some pre planning or something, just to make the spread more lively and more beautiful. Like, especially with the adorable ones. There are cool ones too, but I prefer the adorable ones. Sometimes I do make a cooler page, but more or less I gravitate to the cuter, adorable things. And here's the notepad. Like for the notepad itself, it has a lot of pages. Like it's about a 50 or 100 pages per pad. And also it has about 3 to 4 designs. So you wouldn't get really tired of the designs of this notepad, and you like have everything. Like you could write anything on this one, leave a note for a friend, leave a note for a housemate, and it would be fun to leave. And here's the backside of the notebook. And I do really like the texture on this notebook. It's like a matte finish. It doesn't have any glitter on them, and it's very homey. Like here's the comparison side by side from the first notebook that we had opened. And again, I won't be opening any notebooks anymore. And I'm not really sure if it would be the same as the first notebook design, but most likely it wheel since it's from the same brand. And here are their notepads side by side. And here's a third one. And of course, the stickers inside, the transparent stickers, always gets messy. And this one's like a painting. Like, this one is a different series from the first two boxes. Like, for the first two boxes, it's like a homey feel. And this one is like very magical, as you can see. And also the last box that I'm gonna be opening later on, you'll see it's a very, like, it's a very not your typical notebook design like the first two. And let's see what we have inside. Like, I'm getting excited seeing what will I get inside this box, what kind of artworks and everything. And definitely for the boxes, I'm not gonna recycle it anymore. Like, I'm gonna throw it out since I do really need to organize and clean up the space. And this is one of the things that I wanted to really film and use and organize so that I'll have more space on under my desk. And here we have the notebook and the notepad, but we are gonna be looking first for the washi tapes. Here we have different kinds of numbers and some different cuts, and that's everything. And here we have a Saturday, Sunday, like a days washi tape. This one's gonna be very useful for me as well. And here we have like a different kind of things, like a hat, there's a burger, and there's a cup. And here's the prettier one. Like, for this one, I do prefer to use them as a header. And sometimes, if I really want, I'll cut it one by one and pre-cut it and put it on my sticker album, then use it when I'm ready to use it. That's why I don't like to open all of my washi tapes at the same time, since I haven't really finished the other washi tapes that I have open. And from experience, like, some washi tapes does not stick when it's exposed to air in a very long time. And here's some transparent stickers. For stickers like this, it's fine as long as you keep them in a good box that doesn't get air to air into it and doesn't get UV light, so that the image does not wash off the color. And these tapes are really adorable, and when you do collage them, they're more better than you would have expected. Like, there are some, like, the words, like, there are some words that I wouldn't really use, and still I would not use it for my journal, but I would use it like a for the notepads that it came with, that doesn't have stickiness on the back itself. And here's a notepad. And this notepad is different from the first two. Like, the format is kind of different, the artwork is different, but it has the same like 3 to 4 designs for the memo pad. And yes, I'm pretty excited to use these memo pads. Like, on my desk right now, I have Sanrio notepads that I'm currently using with a Moon notepad. And this one definitely I'll use immediately. I'll use the blue one first. And here's the notebook itself. Like, for this notebook, it does have a foiling into it. And it's a really beautiful notebook. since it's much more vibrant than the first two. This one, it pops a lot more on your eyes than the first two notebooks that I just showed. And here's the last notebook. We have like a rabbit magician pink theme one. And like, if I remember correctly, there are only four variants for this on the shop that I bought, and I got all four. And since it does have a discount when you buy all four sets back then, and if I remember correctly, I did bought this one during the Christmas, and like I just find them really pretty, and I thought that I would really use these notebooks anyway. So I just go for it. And right now, 2025, I'm currently not buying any notebooks. Like I did a very good job that it's already April and I haven't bought any kind of notebooks, just notepads and some other stationery, but notebooks, if I remember correctly, I haven't bought any. But here is the washi tapes. Like the washi tapes are very adorable. And the thin washi tapes, like you could really use it a lot depending on what you're gonna use it for. And here's another, like it's a happy day, weekday, Monday, it's a good day, like a good vibes washi tape. And here we do have a dessert washi tape, which is looking very delicious. And I wanted to eat a dessert right now. And here's another one. We have a beautiful ladies on this washi tape. And I'll probably also pre-cut this one and put on my sticker album first. Then I'll use it up eventually. And here's another one. Really adorable. Everything is just adorable for me. Like you would hear that a lot on this video. Like very adorable, very cute. Like this set is like very practical. And here's the memo pad. Like the artworks are really adorable, really cute, and like very functional as well. And here's the last artwork for this memo pad. Or maybe we do have, yes, we do have one more. And it's kind of the same format from the first memo pad. And here are the stickers. Let's look at the transparent stickers, which I'm also very excited to look at. And actually, the transparent stickers is the one that gets used up first among all the things on this set. And practically, these transparent stickers are really good quality. It's thicker than your normal transparent stickers. And I really like the outfits of these stickers. And there's bears, rabbits, and you could use the headers. And basically, you can be creative with these stickers. And that's why I love stickers. Like, and we have here some dots and some stars, which you could use also for to-do list or something similar. And here's the notebook itself. And this one does also have a bit of a foiling, but it's a very pretty notebook. And here's the look of the back, and has a very cute bear. And here's how thick it is. And I think that's everything. But here it is side by side with the purple one. And I love them both. But if I would have to really pick one, like I would have picked the purple version. And the back side is also foiled. The letters are actually foiled. It's just that it's hard to see on cam. And here is the notepad. As you can see, they have the same format and just different artwork, different characters. I'll just do a quick flip through side by side together. And and this video is almost 21 minutes. After this flip through, we're all done. And that's everything for today. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.